Meghalaya Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association hennek sngi kala Pynlong ya Jingïakhih habar ko office jong Shillong Municipal Board ban persya ya ka jing penbena ban penkenria no Nongdie Madan hagitan kendaila dapo kenyo terik rempang Kekong Angela Rangat ke belong ke dekot jong ketai ke senjuk kala kento ya ka jing bom don ke an bat ka jing shai ha ka jing tau ka town vending committee lani TVC kala penremru ya ka jing bom la jong ka soka ban Pynlong ya ka jing jurep ke babnya ban penbej ya ki jing jong ki Nongdie Madan shua ban terwa ya ki jaka ban penkenria Kekong Rangat kala bu jing keliru halo ka jing mang pisa ka ba anru klor tingka na ka benta ban shna ya ki stall da ka ba kedau ya ka jing bom don ka jing shai hakarukom treikam.
We want a proper long-term solution, and we want, they keep talking and showing off about smart city now. It's the hawkers who will teach them what a smart city looks like. We want this issue to be resolved properly in a transparent manner. It can be that we have these hawking zones and timings and places done beautifully with the collaboration of hawkers. It should not be that in the name of hawkers you're just trying to construct some rubbish so that you make money. Now I think March ending is coming, no? So they're trying to maybe finish some schemes that have come in the name of hawkers, just constructing some rubbish which will not be used. We know how these shopping complexes of government have run till now, how they actually sell and resell that space. We don't want it to be like that with the hawkers issue.